In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase to n8n fast. We're going to move quickly, but I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along without any confusion. Connecting Supabase to n8n lets you automate tasks like reading and writing data, syncing tables, or triggering workflows based on your app activity, all without manual effort. First, open n8n and look to the left-hand side. Click on Personal to open your personal workspace settings. Inside there, find the Credentials tab. This is where n8n securely stores the connections you'll use in your workflows. Click the Create Credentials button. This starts the process of adding a new, reusable connection that your nodes can reference later. Next, use the search bar to look for Supabase API. You should see it in the list of available integrations. Select it. Picking the correct integration type is important because it tells n8n exactly how to authenticate and format requests to Supabase. Now you'll be prompted to enter the Supabase credentials. The fields you see will depend on the integration's requirements, but expect items such as your project URL and an API key. Get these from your Supabase project settings. Paste them carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces. Give the credential a clear name so you can recognize it later in a drop-down, something that matches the project or environment. For security, never share your keys publicly, avoid exposing them in screenshots, and consider using the least privileged key that still meets your needs. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it for the connection. From here, you can use Supabase nodes inside your workflows. When you add a Supabase node, open the Credentials dropdown and select the credential you just created. The node will use that saved connection to authenticate automatically, so you don't need to re-enter anything. This keeps your workflows clean, consistent, and easy to maintain. If you see any authentication errors, double-check the project URL format and confirm that the API key has the necessary permissions for the operation you're running. Also make sure your n8n instance can reach the internet and that there aren't any firewall restrictions blocking outbound requests. To wrap up, you created a credential in your personal settings, selected the Supabase API integration, entered and saved your credentials, and now you're ready to use Supabase nodes in your workflows with just a couple of clicks. Quick, secure, and ready for automation.